Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned that what are the repository pattern and what are their benefits. So now today in this video we are going to discuss about repository pattern, and then we are going to first give a demo of existing project which I created this especially for this series, where I have implemented a simple CRUD. So let me go through this application. So there is a simple project. Let me go to the web.php file where I have created a resource route which is representing this resource controller. So if you are not familiar with resource route and resource controller, so you can check my videos. So I will attach the link in the description. So it's pretty simple. So this resource is generating user slash index, user slash store, user slash create and stuff like that, right? So in the user controller here I have an index method where I'm getting all the users. I perform the user CRUD here. So I'm getting all the user and passing to this user dot index, so which I opened it here. In the next I have a create page. So let's click on this add user. So it's going to open the create blade, right? So I have created a simple CRUD here, CRUD of these blades. So let me go to this resources views. I have created user directory, and in the user I have created an index where I'm displaying all the user in the table, and then I have created a create blade, edit blade and show blade, right? It's simple pretty forward project. And here I'm returning this create blade, this one, right? So now let's go back and let's view our user into new page. So let's click on this view. So it's going to print out the username and email, and yes, it's printing username and email, right? So it's getting it from this here we are storing our users, and then this would be displaying finding our user and passing to this user dot show, right? And then we are editing our application. So let's go back and I will show you. It's pretty same like create form. Okay, so this would be we can update our user. So let's click on this and submit it. So it's going to update our user name, right? So it's a pretty basic application. So you can get the, I'm going to walk through all of the process. So let's click on this add. We are going to add a user, and then we are going to view it and stuff like that. So let's submit this. This one is edit, and this one is simply pretty straightforward, is for update, and this one is for deletion, right? So hope you will you are already familiar with this pattern. So now let's click on this edit. We already updated our record, right? So let me also update this one. I'm going to add this YP here because we are going to check this, is it updating this user or not. And yes, this one is updated, and now we are going to click on this delete button and we are going to delete this user. So I'm going to click on it. So clicked and wait for a moment. So it will reload our web page and came back to our user slash index, and yes, our user is deleted right now. So it's mean that our CRUD functionality is working. So in this CRUD functionality we are going to implement our repository pattern. So we are going to start it from this repository pattern, because I told you that I'm going to start it from this repository pattern, and I will shoot full series on it, that how you can implement your implement this CRUD functionality into by using this repository pattern in Laravel 9, right? And then if I got 10k likes, not likes, 10k views and much more comments, so then I will also shoot different videos on the builder factory pattern and stuff like that. So before this, if you are not familiar with my YouTube channel, so my name is Dayat Niazi and I'm full stack web developer. Nowadays I'm shooting different playlists on the Laravel, and I'm also uploading different Laravel tips and tricks on this YouTube channel, so you can get the regular update from this YouTube channel, right? So I'm uploading these 3 videos at one day, so you can get check the regularity of my videos. So here you can also get the different tips and tricks from this community tab, so you can also get the playlist and stuff like that. So now let's come back to our topic. Our topic is repository pattern, right? So first let me check the video size. No, it's not going bigger, but I'm going to make my videos shorter, because people will easy to find the exact video, because if I shoot this in one video, so it's hard to read, it's hard to find some place to implement this into your project. If I do this in the next video, where I will explain that what is repository pattern, so it's easy to find it on your side, because you can go to the playlist and find that where the repository pattern video is, right? So that's why I'm shooting this, and I'm also shooting this in the real time project. I'm not going to skip any of the step, so I will shoot this in the live coding, so you can get the different, if I faced any issue, so you can also get the knowledge that how you can find the issue and how to resolve these type of issues. So hope you will like this series, and this series is going very amazing, because you never seen this type of series on the YouTube, which is freely available. So hope you will like this series. Stay connected stay connected to this channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.